My video will help you to remove the ransomware called DataDestroyer. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will simply show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I'll give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this DataDestroyer ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and very soon people realize that they can no longer access their data. So this ransomware encrypts files and appends this destroyer extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid, supposedly for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate this ransomware and other threats. So the application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or other threats. So do not skip this very important step. Wait until the antivirus database gets successfully updated. After the antivirus database of Combo Cleaner gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. So then at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way your data would always be protected. And speaking regarding file decryption, Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data effectively. Speaking about file recovery, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.